Welcome to DelphStack. Today, we are going to fix the KERNELBASE.dll error in Windows 11. This error can appear for several reasons. First, we will update the graphics driver. Press the Windows key and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager, then expand the Display Adapter section. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will check for the latest driver and install it if needed. After the update, restart your computer and check if the error is fixed. If the problem continues, the next step is to run a system file check. Press the Windows key and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the command window, type SFC, scannow, and press Enter. The system will scan your files and repair any corrupted ones. This process may take some time, so be patient. When it finishes, restart your PC and see if the error is resolved. Sometimes the KERNELBASE.dll error appears for a specific application. If this happens, the easiest fix is to reinstall the application. Open Settings, go to Apps, find the application causing the error, and uninstall it. Then download the latest version from the official website and install it again. After reinstalling, launch the application and check if the error still appears. Following these steps should fix the KERNELBASE.dll error in most cases. Thanks for watching.